So today we are going to draw a fire and ice snake. So this is how it's going to look. And it kind of looks like a summer serpent, but also ice. So snake. So here we can go and make this. And that should be its neck. Now we'll come out here and go there for the scales and more scales. And then we can just go on and on. There, now we'll just curve this here and this there. So it kind of looks like it's a snake's. Now we're going to make the head. So here we got this. We're just going to curve it to make a tiny design over here. Wait. To curve here and go like that. Then we got this. And we can erase this scale to make its head. And here we got it. We're going to do this and make his teeth. He kind of looks cool. So let's just make this and curve it up so it's a snake. Now snakes have scales, so we should draw a few scales. Otherwise, how this could be a snake? Because snakes don't have scales. They do have scales, right? So let's just make our scales. There. Now we have to do the same on this. And now we can curve it up and make this fireball in his tail. Like a kind of a design is supposed to be here. And then this and here. There, finally go there and go out. And burning, it's so cool. Okay, now we have to color it. Otherwise, it can't be fire and ice. It's just a normal snake. That's what it looks like, right? So let's just do this. So here we can just make a red because that's the fire. And then we can add a little more red for this armor plating. So orange is a fire color too. So we'll put that and yellow there and then red again. There we got our fire part. So now we need the ice part. So now we are going to do this crest over here. And let's finish it up. Nice. Now we can color a blue over here too. We're just going to try to fix it up a little like this. A little there. And add a little like that. And this one will be the darker because we need a little different shades of blues. So there. And now we can do more red, like fire colors. So let's just finish up this. We'll go here and do a little orange. Right there. And now we can go here and fix this up. And the last part is red. Next, fire color. And we go in and we color it. But the same on this side, but it's going to be like opposite. So here, this time is the orange. And now it's backwards. So here. And the last flames should be a color like here. We should do yellow. Like this. And then we can add the orange. And then the last one up here is red. And now we need more ice. There's less ice now. And we want it to be like balanced, because if there's too much red, it'll not be so nice. But if there's like enough red and enough blue, that's nice. So like there's too much red fire, so we should do the whole thing ice now. And over here, we're just coloring it, so we finished over there. But now the head is missing, so we should do the head like half of the head like blue, and then the other half like red. That's balanced. Like, that'll look cool too. Like a fiery head. That's nice. Won't it be like nice if you had like a fire head? That's like so cool. Let's just make his eyes. Let's overtrace his smile with his teeth, because it's kind of hiding now, right? And there we got our fire and ice snake. So that's how you draw a fire and ice snake, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!